Alright, first start on it. 1993 Chevy S10 Tahoe. I'm not going to be using it too much right now because the clutch is, I don't know how far dead it is, but first start of 2026. Alright, yes. Oh, even the light inside works. Huh. Weird. I don't know why it's doing that right now. But it hasn't ran since Christmas Day when I drove it to work. I'm gonna have to fix that right there too. Complications from the power steering pump. Yep, that's what's in it, alright. It's been slow because I've been working off and on still, cash reasons, and I'll list some more down below in the description. So thanks for watching, guys. First start 2026.